Hello and welcome to Master Seun, where you learn maths in a simple and easy way. In today's lesson, we are going to be talking about how to divide numbers, and it's not that hard. So make sure you are with your book and pen so that you can follow along with me. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to do when you are dividing is this. You put it in your root, you write it like this. So you have your dividend and then your divisor outside, right? Then 63 as our dividend and for our divisor 3. So you look at it again. How many 3 can you get from 6? 2, right? So you see it's 2 up there. 2 here times 3, that's 6, right? And then you subtract. So 6 minus 6, that's 0. You bring this one, you bring it down. So you have 3 here. Then you look again. How many 3 can you get from 3? How many 3 can you get from 3? That's 1. So you put 1 there. 3 times 1 is what? 3. And you bring your 3 down. Then you subtract. So 3 minus 3, that's 0. So your answer is equal to 21. No remainder. I'm going to try and do this third one. So feel free to pause the video so that you can be able to do it. Okay. So for 3, we have here 96 divided by 6. So you look at it carefully. How many 6 can you get from 9? 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. That's too much. So you can only get 1 6 from 9. 6 times 1 is what? 6. You put 6. Now you subtract. So 9 minus 6 is what? 3. Then you bring this 6 down. So you have 36. So how many 6 can you get from 36? You know 6 times 5 is what? 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 36. Exactly. So you're 6. You can get 6 from 36. So you multiply this by this now. 6 times 6, that's 36. And then you subtract. So 36 minus 36, your answer is 0. So 96 divided by 6 is equal to 16. If you got that right, you are in the correct part. So let me do another exercise. So you get this right. At least when we are done, you'll be what? A division master. So here we have 72 divided by 8. So for this one now, this one is a bit tricky, right? You look at this. How many 8 can you get from 7? That's not possible. So you pick this as a whole. How many 8 can you get from 72? Now we know that your 8 times 5, that's 40. And we know that 8 times 8, that's 64, right? 8 times 9 is what? 72. So you look at your timetable, you look at your multiplication table, your 8 times 9 is 72. So you can get 9 8 from 72. So you multiply this. 8 times 9, that's 72. Then you minus 72 minus 72, your answer is 0. All right. So for question 5, we have this 144 divided by 12. Again, you put your divisor and your dividends where they are supposed to be. So you look at this. How many 12 can you get from 14? 1, right? So you put 1 there. 12 times 1 is 12. Then you minus it. 14 minus 12 is what? That's 2. So you put 2 and you bring this 4 down. Now, how many 12 can you get from 24? How many 12 can you get from 24? 2, right? So you put 2 up. And then you multiply 12 times 2. That's what? 24. Now you subtract 24 minus 24. That's 0. So 144 divided by 12 is equal to 12. Just like that. So if you have been following, make sure to like this video and comment your progress in the comment section. For the last but not the least question, we have 528 divided by 24. So this is a bigger number, but you just look at it. Just like what we have been doing. How many 24 can you get in? I'll pick this 52. You know, 24 plus 24, that's 848. 24 times 2 is 48. If you make it higher, 24 times 3, that's more than that. 48 plus 24, you have is 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 is 8. So 24 times 2, that's what? 48. But 24 times 3 is what? 92. So that's a big number. That's a huge number. We can't go there. So we know this is 24 times 2. You can get two 24s from 52. 24 times 2, that's your 48. You write your 48 here, and you put your minus and you minus it. 48, 52 minus 48 is what? So this you borrow from your neighbor, so that's 4 now, and this is 12. So you have 12 minus 8 is what? 4. You put your 4 down. 4 minus 4, that's 0. Then you bring down your 8. So your 8 to be here. Now you have 48. How many 24 can you get in 48? If you check, 24 times 2 is 48. So that will be 2. 24 times 2, that's 48. And your answer will be 48 minus 48 is 0. So this 528 divided by 24 is equal to 22. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to your friend that really needs maths. Comment Division Master in the comment section, and I'll see you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.